Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Marlboro Nissan, we have the 2024 Nissan Z Performance. I have wanted to drive one of these ever since they were announced. This car is amazing. I've driven it very short amount of time just to get here. This is the manual, and the spec, black and blue. Oh, absolutely gorgeous car. Manual transmission, 3-liter twin turbo V6, 400 horsepower, 350 pound-feet of torque, 55,320 for sticker. Man, this thing is just, it's amazing, absolutely amazing. ZD high performance clutch launch control, which we won't be trying. Wow. Let me pop the hood so we can check that out. I've driven a 350, a 370, and now the unconfirmed 400Z. Same basic engine as the Q60 Red Sport. Obviously the Red Sport was automatic only. Love the badging. What an awesome car. I am just blown away by this. No sunglasses holder. Oh man. Do have a lot of other cubbies though. Is a hatchback. Ooh, good amount of storage behind the seats. Seats are heated. Clutch, super easy to use. Very easy to modulate. For somebody who is now dailying a Wrangler, which you know how those clutches are. Oh. Lucky me. That's quick. That is really quick. It's got a lot of torque. I do have it in S mode, which means auto rev match. Whoa. This is the part that I'm honestly a little scared for. That's why I feel like trucks should not be allowed down this. Steering feel really good. Seating position really good. Not a lot of turbo lag, which I'm glad about. ride is actually very impressively comfortable. I was kind of expecting this thing to beat me up a little bit. No. Nope. It's good. I could daily the crap out of this thing. So good. Oh, ever since I first drove a Red Sport, I wanted to drive this powertrain in a manual. It's so good. This is so good. But at the end of the day, I can tell it's still a GT car. I can still tell this is a car, you know, this isn't the Nismo, this isn't the track focus version. This is a car that I could absolutely daily drive. Not gonna beat me up. The clutch is not unbearable. I could use this thing every single day in stop and go traffic and be perfectly happy. The seats are awesome. Seating position is great. Visibility is great. I am, yeah, this is good. This is really, really good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you all in the next one.